Reg, naapektuhan po ba kayo kapag binabash si Mr. Ogie Alcacen?
Siyempre,
Kasi di ba last time nag-post siya ng mahabang post
Yeah.
sa social.
actually bago niya yun pinost, pinabasa muna niya yun sa akin. Naiinis ako pagka yung sinasabi niya yun sa sarili niya na, never naman ako sumikat, never naman. Sabi ko, what are you talking about?
Bakit siya nagigano'n?
Kasi ganun siya. Sometimes he thinks that way. Oo, yung, kaya parang, I don't understand where that is coming from. As you get, he's human being, and as we get older, we get more insecure. That's what it is. Ganun yun eh. I was never insecure in my, in my younger years, never insecure. But now I'm so insecure with everything. Because that's the way it is. Kaya kayong mga bata, try nyo wag munang ma-insecure habang bata kayo. Kasi pag tumanda kayo, oh my gosh, yung mga hindi mo nararamdaman before, nararamdaman mo na ngayon. So, I don't like it when he said, yung minamaliit niya yung sarili niya. Eh, maliit na nga siya. sorry. Joke.
Roasting pala. Roasting pala.
Ayoko yung minamaliit niya yung sarili niya. Yung bang pinapaliit niya yung mga accomplishments niya. Sabi ko, what are you talking about? Kasi ako, sa akin, parang ang laki-laki lahat nun. Being able to write songs like Kailangan Kita, Kailangan Ko'y Ikaw, Pangako, ang dami niyang na-achieve as a songwriter and as a singer. Ang dami niyang hit songs. At mas marami pelikula nun sa akin,
Oo naman. Yes, opo. Ano naman po.
Oo.
Pero, I mean, powerhouse couple kayo. It's just bizarre. But thank you for being so, casual about it. But that's the reality. What's your check-in balance?
Anong check and balance? What does it mean?
Parang yung tinutulungan yung sarili nyo na, kailangan sa'yo sabi mo, ito sabi mo.
We try to uplift each other. When one is down, the other one will try to, dapat ganun naman ang role mo to each other. Kasi hindi lang kayo married couple, you're partners kayo in life. So you have to be able to do that to your partner na kung yung ibang tao nga na-inspire mo, yung partner mo hindi. Siyempre. So ako ang role ko talagang to uplift his spirit when he's down. And tsaka kasi hindi naman mahirap gawin yun dahil marami siyang accomplishments. Sabi ko, what are you talking about? Are you kidding me? These are the things that you did. Diba? Tapos, ang dami mong natulungan. At saka siya napakasipag nan. Napakasipag. That's one thing that talagang hindi ko maano sa asawa ko. Nukno ka ng sipag talaga. Kasi ako, feeling ko tamad na nga ako. Siya ang sipag talaga. Hindi ayaw niya yung wala siyang ginagawa. He's really masipag and so passionate with his music and the songs that he creates. He's very passionate. I love it.
Thank you so much, Ms. Reg.